Silky beat.
Asus ROG Phone 60 Ultimate just launched yesterday. 165Hz fast refresh rate, AMOLED display, 3.35 GHz overclock speed, flagship processor, new cooling system, triple camera setup, huge battery, fast charging, and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and first impression of the ROG Phone 60 Ultimate. The Taiwanese manufacturer's first gaming phone to feature the MediaTek design. Asus is rolling out the ROG Phone 60 and the ROG Phone 60 Ultimate, with both phones powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus, a slightly overclocked version of the standard Dimensity 9000. Let's start with the unboxing. Phone comes with the same box as the ROG Phone 6 Pro. In the box we get ROG AR card, Aero Active Cooler 6, ROG Hypercharge 65W adapter, hard case and the Type-C to C cable. Now let's talk about the design and build. I'll get to the hardware addition in a bit, but first a brief overview of the design changes. Asus don't make any noticeable alteration to the overall design language, but the ROG Phone 60 Ultimate features a new stone grey color that looks really good. The grey hue combined with the matte finish make the device stand out just that little bit more over the white aesthetic of the ROG Phone 6 Pro. And Asus says that both the 60 and the 60 Ultimate will be available in just the grey color variant. The ROG Vision secondary screen at the back is intact as well, and it is a nifty way to view the incoming calls when the phone is lying face down or see the battery charge level. Of course, you can also add your own images and text and customize just that little bit more. The Phone 60 Ultimate gets the same 12x16 dual speaker along with 3.5mm jack, and the onboard audio is more than sufficient for casual gaming. You will find the ultrasonic air trigger on the right, and there are great for assigning in-game actions. Like the ROG Phone 6 Pro, the 60 Ultimate is tall and heavy, but the weight is balanced well, and it feels great to hold in hand. The side-mounted USB-C port is great if you need to charge the phone while gaming, and the Aero Active Cooler and other accessories use this port for drawing the power. Let's talk about the display. Let's include the 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with the 165Hz refresh, with the panel itself made by Samsung, and the resolution is unchanged at the Full HD+. And there is a layer of Gorilla Glass Victus over the screen. There is still no dynamic scaling here, but you can switch between the 1690, 120, 144 or 165Hz refresh, or set it to auto, and the screen will automatically changes the refresh on the fly. The ROG Phone 60 Ultimate is the first gaming phone powered by the Dimensity 9000 Plus, and it is phenomenal. ROG Phone 60 Ultimate is that the Cortex X2 core goes up to an insane 3.35 GHz more than MediaTek's standard 3.2 GHz frequency. This is essentially an overclocked Dimensity 9000 Plus. The Phone 60 Ultimate comes with the 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage as a standard. Now the Phone 6 Pro has more RAM at 18 GB, and the Asus says that this is because the Ultimate Edition is using LPDDR5X instead of LPDDR5, and that the maximum DRAM module for LPDDR5X is currently 16 GB. A unique addition to the ROG Phone 60 Ultimate is a new internal cooling system, dubbed the Aero Active Portal, that kicks in when the Aero Active Cooler is connected. It allows the cooler to deliver cold air to the inner of the device with cooling fins that connected to the vapor chamber. The Aero Active Portal contains over 50 components, and the Asus noted that the hinge is made of die-cast liquid metal, and it's designed to walk up to 40,000 times without any issues. Asus says that the motor designed with the influence by the Zenfone Flip motorized cameras. The hinge automatically closes if it detects that the phone is falling. When used with the hinge, there is a noticeable difference in thermal performance, with the Phone 60 Ultimate staying under 43 degrees Celsius even after gaming session exceed 1 hour. The camera configuration is the same, with the 50MP Sony IMX766 lens joined by the 13MP wide angle and a dedicated macro module. Like the battery situation, I don't notice much of the variation in the phone or video quality. There is a massive 6000 mAh battery this time as well, and it uses the same dual 3000 mAh cell configuration. It has 65W charging over the USB PD standard and easily managed to last over the day without any issues. I don't see any significant variation between the Qualcomm and the MediaTek version of the devices, and in similar set of the use of cases. Both the phone deliver the similar battery longevity. The software is also identical with the device running Android 12 out of the box. You can choose between gaming focus keen or the standard Zen UI version. That's deliver a clean interface, and the Asus say it will deliver 2 platform updates and at least 2 years of security updates. If you are interested in Asus gaming phone and want something a little different, the ROG Phone 60 Ultimate is a noteworthy alternative to the Qualcomm's version. Of course, you will have to sell out a decent chunk of cash with a 60 Ultimate debating with £1,199 in the UK and $1,367 in US. The ROG Phone 60 Ultimate is a great showcase for what the MediaTek has to offer in the high-end segment. The phone absolutely holds its own during gaming and other intensive workloads and managed to deliver similar battery life as its Qualcomm's rival. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. As well as me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling. I will see you in the next one.
Chunky beat.